Auntie Berry, please sit down here.
Why?
Please don't sit down here.
Why now?
Please sit down here. This is social distancing.
Okay.
COVID-19 is looking for a way to travel from one place to another.
Yes.
And it needs our help. If we do not help it, it will not travel from one place to another.
Hey, yeah, let's help him now. Who is he?
Ebere, COVID-19 is the disease caused by the novel coronavirus.
Coronavirus? God forbid, I cover myself with the blood of Jesus.
Cover yourself with the blood of Jesus, but maintain social distancing.
Yes, and when you want to cough, you cough into your sleeve. After touching any surface, wash your hand with soap and water or use alcohol-based sanitizer.
Yes.
But wait, how do we know somebody has contacted this virus?
See, the person will have dry cough, sore throat, high fever, and difficulty in breathing.
Are you having sore throat?
No.
Thank God. Stay in your house. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
And I'll stop coming to visit you.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. 500k.
What is it?
That guy I told you about.
Which guy?
I promised to get my iPhone 11 Pro.
Yes.
He just sent me 500k.
Are you serious?
Oh my God, I'm going to get my iPhone 11 Pro. iPhone 11 Pro.
But Ebere, wait though. Are you going to use this 500,000 naira to get the iPhone 11 Pro?
Yes, now. I cannot wait to get my iPhone 11 Pro.
But Ebere, are you not the same person that told me that your house rent has expired? And your landlord threatened to throw you out of the house on Monday if you don't pay your house rent.
It's true. But I'm still going to get my iPhone 11 Pro. Don't you know that if I'm holding iPhone 11 Pro and they see the phone in my hand, they will see it and know I'm a big girl. And if I'm holding the iPhone 11 Pro to go and look for a contract, when they see the iPhone 11 Pro in my hand, they will know I'm a big girl and give me the contract.
Ebere, are you a contractor?
No. But what if I'm a contractor in the future? I'm getting my iPhone 11 Pro.
Ebere, you better use that money and pay your house rent though.
I'm using the money to get my iPhone 11 Pro. You're jealous. That's why you're advising me wrongly. Sammy, excuse me.
Any problem?
Sammy, I have 500.
See, Sammy,
wait. I have 500,000 to buy iPhone 11 Pro, and I need to pay my house rent. Which one will I do?
It's simple now. Use the money to pay your house.
Wait. If I buy the phone and people see it in my hand, they will know I'm a big girl.
Okay.
And if I hold the phone and go and look for a contract, and they see the phone in my hand, they will know I'm a big girl and give me the contract.
Auntie Berry, use the money and buy iPhone. I think your landlord will chase you out of the house on Monday. And the iPhone has Apple Store.
Yes.
Simple. Buy the iPhone and be living in the store.
Success.
And you don't even have job. So you can be working in the store. I'm selling items. It's even good for you. You will be working from home. We are talking about how to stop coronavirus. You are talking about iPhone. See your scatter hair. I'm sure you have coronavirus. If you don't use that money and pay your house rent and stay at home, it's not only iPhone 11 Pro, it's COVID-19 Pro.
Sissy, I don't have
Brown, well done, no? Brown! What's the problem? What are you thinking about?
My brother, my problem now is this girl that is inside my house. She has been here for 1 week and there's no way she can go. My brother, how can I be in the house with one girl for 1 whole week? I need to go out now, now, experience other things. How can I be with just one girl since 1 week?
And you sure that it's not helping matters? If you go out now, these army people will embarrass you. But Brown, do you really want to go out?
I said I want to go out. See, since there's no way she'll go out, okay, let me go out.
See, I have the perfect excuse for you that can make you leave the house.
Are you serious?
Yes, but you know what? You have to pay me.
My brother, any excuse they're going to bring that is going to make me leave this house, I'm willing to pay.
Yes. Can you pay me 2,000 naira?
2,000 2,000?
Yes.
2,000, there's no problem. As far as it will work.
See, just start coughing.
Like
Cough.
coronavirus.
Yes.
No, God forbid, I can't do that. I don't have coronavirus.
Yes, you don't have corona, but for now, you need it. So just start coughing.
So I should start coughing.
Start coughing. Cough. I'm coming.
Honey, what is the problem?
It's like I've started developing dry cough.
Dry cough?
Yes, it's like I'm having sore throat.
Sore throat?
Yes, and it's like my temperature is still rising. And I'm finding it difficult to breathe. I'm suspecting I've developed this coronavirus.
God forbid! Holy Ghost fire! Coronavirus! Somebody help her! Somebody help her! Coronavirus!
Somebody is coughing here. Who is coughing in this compound?
He's the one! Look at him!
Stay away from him. Move back. Calm down, ma. Just calm down, ma. Oh my God, he has the virus. Please stay back. We are taking him to the hospital now for quarantine. Stay back, ma. Stay back. Easy, sir. Let's go. He'll be back in the next 14 days.
Okay!
Tell her to in 2 days.
Sorry, I mean 22 days.
Okay! No
Anyway, I
problem!
want to come back.
In fact, no, that one is not among. I told you I have the perfect plan for you.
Yeah. Piston, send me people.
Hey. It's nothing. See, I'll cross you.
Are you sure?
Wait, let me wear my mask. Swear. Oh yeah, be coughing. Hey, he's sick, sir. We need to quarantine him, sir.
Go. Allow them. Go.
You see, even army people are scared. Keep coughing.
Hey,
We are almost there.
Hey, come here. I said, come here. Hold it.
I'm from NCDC. Let me remove this mask, John. Wait. Keep on. Where are we going to?
Let's go to a hotel.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, come. Let me tell you something. See, do you know that this thing you did now has given me business idea? Yes.
Oh yeah, tell me about
See,
it.
now there are many men that in their houses. They want to leave their houses because their wives are choking them in the neck. And they don't know a way to break out. Now, we will be the people breaking them out.
That's a good idea.
They will pretend like they have coronavirus. They will now call us. We will now come as a quarantine team to come and quarantine them. Good business.
You have sense.
Yes, we're going to use it as business. We're going to start up a group on Facebook. And we're going to name it Team Breakout.
No. Why don't we call it Breakout Team?
Yes, it's still the same thing we are breaking.
As a matter of fact, I still have a nose mask and coverall. So what will happen is that, I don't have hand glove.
Forget about hand glove. We use hand sanitizer. We sanitize our hand. What is there again?
We carry them, we break them out. Business has started. Let's go, Joe.
You know I have business.
You better start coming for those who come here and catch us. Brown, it's like all the intercom in this hotel are not working. It's like this one here is even for fancy.
My brother, I don't know, but I like it here.
See, I have created a Facebook page.
That is very good.
And then people have started messaging us. I don't know if I should message them back so we can strike a deal via inbox.
No, they should call us. Didn't you put phone number there?
I put phone number.
That is good. Which phone number did you put?
Your phone number.
Why did you put my phone number? Why didn't you put your own?
You shouldn't have brought the idea. I put your phone number now.
Who is this person? I don't know this number.
K Brown. Pick the call now. Do you know whether it's one of our clients that is calling you? Remember I put your phone number there.
Hello?
Is this the breakout team?
Yes, this is the breakout team.
Good. Please, I just got your number from your Facebook page.
Yes, that is good.
Please, I need you people to come to my house and break me out. I will send my address to you through SMS. Please come as soon as possible.
That is very good. See, your fee is 10,000.
Don't worry, that's not the problem.
Okay, see, let me just tell you something. Just start coughing. Okay, start coughing. Just start coughing. In the next 5 minutes, we are coming to rescue you. We are coming to break you out.
All right, thank you very much.
We are in business.
NCDC is here. The NCDC is here.
Thank God you're here. Honey, they are here. Oh.
Calm down, ma. Relax, just relax.
Madam, where is he? Where is he?
He's inside. He's inside.
Just calm down, okay? Please keep your distance. Keep your distance.
Don't worry, it's going to be all right. We're going to quarantine him for 14 days. Just keep your distance, eh?
Please help him get his shoes. Help him get his shoes.
Don't worry, you're going to be fine, eh? Just keep coughing.
Madam, please, you'll be fine, okay?
Hey! I told him to sit at home. But he won't listen.
Okay, it's okay. They can't see us here. It's okay, eh?
This Oga can act.
I'm telling you, he's a professional. So, where are you going to?
Can you take me to Droopy's hotel?
Juby's hotel.
Yes.
We will take you there. But remember, our fee is 10,000 naira.
It's no problem. Let's go.
Let's go. No. This side is not working. Let's take the other side.
Wait, can they see us here?
Wait here. Let me check. They're no longer seeing us.
Correct. You guys are smart, man.
It's our job now.
You guys are very smart. Thank you very much.
So, Oga, where are you going to?
Just rush me down to a cool hotel.
Let us go.
Smart man.
You're doing well. Just continue. You're doing well.
Cough.
Keep coughing.
Keep ground. See, this your idea is really making sense. This is a clear definition of what I call native sense.
You see, in less than 3 hours, we have made 20,000.
Yes.
See, what's going to happen now is that we're going to share it equal.
No problem. You're my man.
Take.
Bouquet Brown, you didn't even count the money. How sure are you that this is 10,000 naira?
Don't worry, when it comes to money, I don't make mistakes. Another client.
Hello, is this the breakout team?
Yes, this is the breakout team.
Please, I need you people to come to my house and break me out right now.
Don't worry, there's no problem. I hope you know your fee.
Don't worry, 10,000 Abi?
Yes.
Okay, you know what will happen? My wife will call you. I will give my wife your number. She will call you.
Okay.
And tell you that I have the coronavirus.
Okay.
Then you pretend to be NCDC and then you
don't worry, we know our job.
No problem.
Just start coughing.
She will call you. Just wait for her call.
Okay.
Hey, my brother.
Hey, his wife is calling. Hello,
please, is it the NCDC?
Yes, this is the NCDC.
Okay, please, I need people to come to my house and carry my husband. I think he has the coronavirus. Please.
Madam, don't worry, we are going to take care of him. Hope your husband gave you something.
Something like what?
Don't worry, just send your address.
Alright, please come immediately, I'm waiting.
Okay, don't worry, we are coming. Another job.
Hey, where are these people now? You people should come. Oh, thank God you people are here.
Where's the coronavirus person?
Madam, keep your distance, ma. Keep your distance. Step back, ma. Step back,
he
ma.
has the virus. Don't worry, we'll take care of him.
Keep your distance. Step back, ma. Please.
Oh God.
Okay, let's go. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
You people should save him for me, oh.
Madam, don't worry, you'll be fine.
Can I come?
No, ma. Just keep your distance, ma. Please keep your distance.
Let her come with us.
You'll be fine, ma. Just step back and keep your distance.
So you people should try.
He'll be fine, ma. He'll be fine, ma.
Hey! Chimo!
Okay, you're doing well. Okay, it's okay. You can stop now.
Okay,
It's okay, don't worry, it's okay.
If I let's stop here
Look
now.
at everywhere my face, speed.
Okay, it's okay now. It's okay.
Okay, don't spoil me alone now. So, where are you going to?
Isolation center.
Okay, there is no isolation center. Which hotel do you want to go? Let us take you there.
Yes, I have coronavirus. Okay, take me to the hospital. Please.
Okay, I beg you. This is your own acting self.
Hello?
Hello? My husband gave me this number. He said I should call you. I think he gets coronavirus.
Madam.
Please come and carry him.
Ma, we've already carry your husband. Your husband is with us right now.
No, my husband is still here with me. He has been coughing and sneezing for the past 30 minutes. Please, can I send my address now?
You mean your husband is still there?
Yes, now. My husband is still here with me. He even gave me money to give to you people. Please come and carry him.
If your husband is there, then who are we with?
Wow. Oh, okay, easy now.
Why are you people wasting my time?
Wait, okay, you said you have what?
Coronavirus. Can't you see? I just came back from Italy 2 weeks ago.
You mean you have real coronavirus? And you have been spitting on me since.
Coronavirus.
Hey!
I think I'm dying.
Uncle Mark, where are you going to?
Emanuela, there is a job opportunity that I see. It's for a housekeeper. I want to go and do the interview so that I will win the job. Then I will not start working again.
Okay, I'll follow you. Let's go.
Go where?
To the interview now.
Makagene?
I want to know why every time you go for job interview, the next day they will sack you. I'm sure you used to say something that will make them sack you. Let's go today and follow you.
Emanuela!
Uncle, I'll follow you today. If you like beat me, I'll still follow you.
I think you want to follow go job interview.
Come, let's go.
Okay, you think I'm going to enter taxi? You will say you will trek. But let's go. You will say you know that I'm a trekker. You will trek in this one, you will tire.
What's your name?
Mark Angel.
Mark Angel. Do you have any experience in this job? You mean you've been a houseboy before?
Excuse me. Is he a houseboy or housekeeper?
So as I was saying, do you have an experience in being a houseboy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The reason why I need your services is because my wedding is tomorrow. And my wife will be coming in tomorrow also. So I need someone to help out with the house chores like washing the cars, watering the flowers, and so many other things that needs to be done. So do you think you can do that?
Well.
Okay, that's fine. So who is she?
It's my uncle.
Oh, you mean your father's brother?
No, she's my cousin.
Cousin? I don't understand. You are uncle and she's your cousin. How?
Sir, it's like Ishibia. See, in this Nigeria, anybody that senior you is your uncle. Whether the person is your brother or your cousin, even your neighbor, you call the person your uncle. Your teacher can be your uncle.
Okay, fine, whatever. Okay, back to the reason why we are here. How much would you like me to pay you monthly?
So you, the place that you are working, how much are they paying you there?
Are you mad? It's like you don't need this job.
Sorry, sir. Just give him 20,000 naira.
20,000. Okay, fine. I will pay you 20,000 naira monthly, but that will be on one condition. If you work as a houseboy, while she works as a house girl.
No, it's me that come for the interview. She's just a small pikin.
Mr. Man, it's like you don't need this job.
I need it well.
Fine, you work as the houseboy while she works as the house girl. Meaning, you take care of the adult responsibility while she take care of the child responsibility. Because my wedding is tomorrow, for God's sake. My wife is moving in tomorrow. This car won't wash itself. The flowers won't water itself. The dishes in the kitchen won't wash itself. The compound needs to be kept clean. So tell me, if you cannot do this job, let me know so I get somebody else to do it.
Don't worry, we can do it.
Fine. Meaning you start now.
Now?
Yes.
Sir, no, we come the interview so that we can win the job. Then we now go.
I don't understand. It's like you don't need this job.
I need it though.
Fine. You start now, and besides, you will be living here.
Hey. But sir, we did not come with our clothes.
That's not the problem, okay? Why she take care of the dirty dishes in the kitchen now? You go home and get your properties. It's like you don't need this job. I'm going to call somebody else.
No, we need it.
So move this fast. Take to the kitchen.
Where's the kitchen?
Over there.
We need it.
You can get your belongings.
You know what?
Fast.
Well, I'm coming. Let me go and pack our clothes and come.
Francis.
Good morning, guys. What's up?
So you've not had your bath? Do you realize that today is my wedding?
Nah, that bachelor's eve was.
Oh, go and take your bath, Joe. Leave and go and take your bath. What kind of thing is this one now?
Come, guy. Where's your shirt now?
Is there no shirt inside here?
There's no shirt inside. Check now.
Hey! Oh my God! I have forgotten my shirt in Enugu.
Look at this joke.
Hey!
Look at this guy, yo.
My designer shirt.
Anyway, that shouldn't be a problem. You can wear mine.
Hey! Oh!
You can take mine.
What design is that?
USA.
USA. No,
Yes.
no. I don't do that.
Okay, wear mine now.
What design is that?
That's an Italian shirt.
Italian shirt?
Yes.
Oh my God. For God's sake, I don't do Italian nor USA. I do Turkish designs.
Are you trying to tell us that if it's not Turkey, you're not putting any other shirts?
Yes. Guys, do you realize that today is my wedding day and I have to wear a Turkey design? Oh my God. Wait, Mark Angel.
Sir?
Come. What are you doing?
I'm cleaning shoe.
Okay. Where is that your cousin or your sister? Where is she? Call her.
Emanuela.
Call her.
Emanuela.
Come. Give her the shoe. Take that shoe. Make sure you clean it and get it back fast. Go. Mark Angel, come. See, I want you to go and get me a shirt. A white shirt. Where's my card? Use my card, go to any boutique close by and get me a white shirt. The pin is 4440. 4440. Fast. Come. See, you didn't even ask me the design of shirt you are going to buy. So you want to go there and buy anyhow thing for me? Listen, I need a white turkey shirt.
Turkey?
A white turkey shirt. Okay? Fast. Come. See, Angel, today is my wedding day. Don't waste time. You have just 30 minutes or you are dead. Read my lips. You are dead. Hurry up. Today is my wedding, for God's sake.
Guy, you should have worn this shirt too.
Oh, see, what is wrong with all of you? I thought you were my guys. I've told you severally that on my wedding day, I must wear a white turkey designer's shirt.
Enough of all this. He has gone to get the shirt.
30 minutes or I'm dead. 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 30 minutes.
Guys, is Mark back?
No.
Hey, my God. Oh, what is all this now? Why today? I just got off the phone with my wife now. Everybody's in church and they're waiting for us. Even the priest is standing in front of the altar. What is all this now, where is Emanuela?
Sir?
Come here. Come. Where is your teacher, brother? Where is he? Where is Mark?
He's not yet back.
Are you asking me? Are you asking me? In fact, take this phone. Call him now. Call him. We are all waiting for him. Then we are all waiting for him.
Hello? Uncle Mark, where are you now? We are all waiting for you. Be fast.
Where is he? Where is he?
He's coming.
He better come fast, oh! He better come fast! Give my phone and get out from this place. Get out from this place! And guy, you! I thought you were putting on your trousers before.
Do you want my trousers to get rumpled? Guy, please, I don't want to talk
Whatever.
about it today.
Wait! Has Francis taken his bath?
I guess he has gone back to sleep.
Go! Francis!
Don't worry, we'll leave Francis here and go. That guy is not serious. We'll leave him here and go.
Come on. What kind of wedding is this? I really don't understand what's going on here. Is it this wedding you're cleaning yourself for? This wedding? You don't have to worry yourself now. I told that girl that Prince will definitely disappoint her. Is he not Prince again? As I speak to you now, Prince is getting married to another girl, and their wedding is even today. And she's there killing herself every time. I want to get married. I want to get married. I want to get married. Now look at it now. I knew it. All these Instagram slay queens. Look at them. They want to marry Malaysia husband in the wedding. In the wedding, my sister. Will you shut up your mouth? Will you shut up your mouth? When will you be gossiping someone like that? What's your business? What is your problem? Don't worry, you will soon join Monopause. Stay there and gossip somebody. Stupid
Jamila,
girls.
calm down, please.
Leave me alone.
Your makeup.
Leave
Calm
me.
down.
What is makeup? When he's not here.
Please.
What is makeup? When my wedding is going to be cancelled.
See, look at the way people are looking at you.
Leave me alone. Let them look at me. My wedding will be cancelled because of shame.
Ada, your father just told me that the Reverend Father said if in 3 minutes time he did not see him, that the wedding will be called off. Hey, call him. Where is your phone? Call him, please. Call him.
Honey, where are you? They are going up this wedding. Please just come immediately. Where are you?
I'm coming now. Where's Mark? Where's my shirt? Emanuela!
Sir?
Come here. Stand here. Where's Mark? Take my phone. Call him now. Tell him if I don't see him now, I'm going to kill you. I will devour you. I will arrest you. Call him now.
Calm down.
Put the loudspeaker.
Hello, Uncle Mark.
Hey, Emanuela, I'm coming. Now I finished.
Where are you now?
We are finished. They are just doing small amendments.
Hey! Mark! What kind of amendment are they doing?
Okay, sorry, they are finished.
See, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hope you know St. Paul Catholic Church.
Which one?
The one close to the market.
Okay, yes.
Fine. Come there with the shirt. Mark, the whole church is waiting for us. Come there with the shirt now.
Okay, I will enter taxi and be coming there now.
Okay, fine. Come now. Guys, let's go to the church.
Now?
Let's go to church now.
Hey guys! Wait for me now, you guys going without me?
Start the car, Emanuela, open the gate! Baby, I'm so sorry, please, Don't be offended, please, I'm so sorry, Is this new houseboy I employed though, I asked him to get me a white turkey shirt. This morning,
Okay, so where is he?
He's coming.
Here.
Okay, he's here. Come here. Where have you been since? Where have you been? Where's the shirt? Mark! What's this?
Turkey shirt.
Turkey shirt?
Where is the turkey?
Uncle Mark! They say turkey design.
This one, they design it for turkey.
Hey!
I thought you tell her the turkey that is wearing it.
Hey!
Where's the turkey? Hey, did you people forget the turkey? See, the tailor said that, I should use my hand and wear this cloth on the turkey. That we should not wear it from the head, we should wear it from the leg. Don't worry, he teach me how to wear the turkey, the cloth. Where's the turkey? I want to use my hand and wear it on the turkey.
My chest, I'm finished.
Okay, why are you finishing? Malala, what happened?
Uncle Mark!
Did I do anything wrong?
Leave me alone!
Mr. Prince, do you take Jamila Musa as your lawfully wedded wife? to love and to cherish, in goodness and in goodness, till death do you part.
Yes, I do.
Yes. Sir. Manage this one.
Sorry, sir. You look good. Just smile.
Smile.